It's January 18th, 2025, and I'm sharing insights from the world of dermal fillers, courtesy of the renowned Dr. Simon Ourian, a leading expert from Beverly Hills in non-surgical aesthetics. He emphasizes the art behind achieving natural beauty with subtle, precise enhancements. Fillers, when done correctly, can restore lost volume and sculpt features, maintaining a refreshed appearance without looking overdone. Dr. Ourian urges the importance of selecting the right practitioner, someone who understands both facial anatomy and aesthetic harmony. Equally crucial is choosing the appropriate Food and Drug Administration-approved filler for each specific facial area to prevent issues like migration and ensure a perfect finish. He advocates for the less is more philosophy, recommending a conservative start with fillers, as adding can be easier than removing. Advanced techniques and technologies, such as Dr. Ourian's patented Coolaser, are employed to seamlessly integrate fillers into the skin, minimizing the chance of unwanted movement. Post-treatment care, involving avoiding pressure or manipulation of the filled areas, is crucial for lasting, natural results. Dr. Ourian stresses the necessity of regular maintenance, as dermal fillers are not permanent, typically lasting 6 to 18 months. His commitment to individuality ensures that enhancements maintain authenticity, capturing the essence of your natural beauty. As always, looking good should reflect a natural, confident you. Stay tuned for more updates in aesthetic trends.